What is Wealthy Affiliate, and will Wealthy Affiliate work for beginners? Hi there, I'm Jim from IamWithJim.com. Welcome to this overview of Wealthy Affiliate. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the inside of Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm going to talk about who it's for exactly. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you all of the super duper bonuses that I'm giving away to you for joining Wealthy Affiliate and going premium through my link, which is below this video. So stay tuned to see the bonuses near the end of the video. So right now, here I am inside of Wealthy Affiliate. I've just logged in and I've clicked on my dashboard here, which brings me to this page here. Across to the right, you will see the live chat feature of Wealthy Affiliate. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, all right. There's Magic Studios actually, who's just turned up in the live chat. He's the live training coach. He gives a webinar every week on a Friday, and you can join the webinar every Friday as part of your premium membership. Okay, so that's the live chat there. That's open 24/7. You can go in there and get help if you're having problems. Okay, so go in there and ask for help if you need it. All right, in the dashboard, we'll bring you back to this page, obviously. And then we have the training on the second option there. All right, there are two types of training here. The online entrepreneur certification is for any niche. If you want to make money in any kind of niche whatsoever, it could be anything that you're promoting, such as things from Amazon, and there are millions of products on Amazon. So you need to choose a niche when you join Wealthy Affiliate. So choosing a niche is actually one of the most essential things that you have to do before you really get started. All right, so online entrepreneur certification, if you are a free member, you will get level 1 for free. Okay, and you will also get a website. In fact, you'll get 2 websites. That's for any niche. The next option here is the affiliate bootcamp. Now in this training you also get 10 free lessons, or all of level 1. Now in the bootcamp training you will actually learn how to promote things just like Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate itself does have an affiliate program that you can join and you can become a member of, and you can learn how to promote Wealthy Affiliate itself for some nice commissions, and you can learn how to promote lots of things in the make money online niche, lots of things like keyword tools, WordPress themes, autoresponders, everything related to building websites, home business, and all of that. So that's the affiliate bootcamp. That's the difference between these two different trainings. This is for 99.9% of niches, and this is just for the make money online stuff. Okay, so you choose your niche when you join, and you can follow both of these trainings. So for actually free members, there are 20 free lessons. You can do the first level in here, and you can do the first level in here. So by the end of studying those lessons there and following the training there, you will know what niche you want. Okay, and you will get to build a website in that niche. Now, what's next on the training? Have a click through these and have a look for yourself. There are classrooms for specific areas that you will want to work in. Authoring and writing content, getting started, the Wealthy Affiliate platform, keyword niche and market research, lots of different classrooms there, as you can see. Let's have a look at the second tab here, the third tab. All right, we've got Site Manager, Site Builder, Site Domains, Site Content, Site Comments, Site Feedback, and Site Support. If you need help with a website, click on here to get site support. Okay, Site Manager, this is where you get to manage all of your websites. Now, I don't recommend that you create lots and lots of websites because you're spreading yourself too thin. Start with one website and stick to it. Site Builder is where you will build a website, and you will start off on a free domain, and you will give your website a name like this. I'll just give it a random name, random website name www.siterubics.com. Okay, random website name. Alright, all I've got to do now is choose a theme. Let me choose this one. And now I have to click here to build this site, and that should be done within about 30 seconds. The website will be built and then I can log in. I am ready to log in. Alright, so all I have to do to log in, here's my password and here's my login username. I click on here and it should log me in. And there you go, that's how easy it is to build a website. It takes less than 30 seconds, as I said. Alright, back to here. Now you can change your password anytime you like there. Okay, so that site, I'm going to delete it. I don't need it. Alright, so here we are, we've got the options for your website. Follow the training to find out what all of this is. Okay, right, now we've been through the websites tab. Live events, that is live trainings every week by Magic Studios, Jay, who does a webinar every Friday night, live training, so you can interact with Jay, ask questions and find out what's going on in there. Okay, they are recorded, so you can look at the older ones if you want. So each week he does a live webinar and it's recorded for you to look at if you can't make the live class itself. Alright, research. This is the keyword research tool. So how to earn money with affiliate marketing. Okay, press enter. It'll bring up the results of the keywords. Click on Get QSR. Now, the meaning of this is if you create a blog post with this title here and these keywords, how to earn money with affiliate marketing, you can expect 160 people per month will be searching for this exact term every month. Okay, and if you rank on page 1, you can expect 28 traffic. That's 28 visitors per month coming to your website to read this post. QSR is 51, which is nice and low. Try and keep that under 100 for best results. KQI, which stands for Keyword Quality Index, stands for, or indicator, is great, which means go for it, you know. 91 SEO, anything over 80 is good. 91 is really good. So that would be a good keyword to shoot for if you were in this niche of making money online and you wanted to write a post about that topic. Okay, so that's the keyword research platform there. There's an affiliate programs platform there where you can actually find high-paying affiliate programs. This is the live chat button, and you can go in the live chat and say hello to everyone, get help whenever you need it. Okay, so instant help 24/7 right there. And the last option here is the help center. So if you need site support help, you would click on here. If you want to ask a question from the community, you can ask in there. You can go in live chat, which we've just seen, or you can communicate. If you have premium, you get access to private messages, so you can send a message to Kyle or Carson themselves, or to myself once you're a premium member. Now, who is it for, Wealthy Affiliate? It's for anybody wanting to get started with an online business of their own through creating content. You will have to create content if you want to be successful online. There's no getting around of it, and there is awesome training at Wealthy Affiliate that covers everything you need to know. Getting started from a complete beginner, even if you are an advanced affiliate marketer, there are things in Wealthy Affiliate that you can learn, and you can join up and you can help people out if you're an advanced marketer. Okay, so we've seen inside what Wealthy Affiliate is. Don't rush off to join just yet, because I want to show you the bonuses which are coming soon. So what is Wealthy Affiliate, and is it going to work for beginners? Yes, it will, if you stick to the training and you don't get shiny object syndrome. Stay with all of the training. Don't divert yourself away from the training. Don't go running after different programs. Knuckle down and go for it with Wealthy Affiliate. It really is worth it. There are thousands and thousands of successful members, and all they did is put faith in their training, and they did all of it, and they learned and worked, and now they're running full-time 10k a month plus online every month. A quick rundown of what Wealthy Affiliate is. It's a digital marketers platform for beginners to pros to earn money online. It's a hosting company. They host your websites for you. You build your websites inside there and have it hosted inside there. You can register domain names. There's a website builder that's fast and easy to use, which I've just shown you how to do. There's a keyword research tool, which is also easy to use. There's the live chat. There's a questions and answers forum. There are classrooms dealing with specific categories, such as all of those categories that I showed you. And there is a community where you can rub shoulders with entrepreneurs from all over the world. And don't forget the weekly live web classes with Jay. So I promised you some bonuses for going premium at Wealthy Affiliate, and I put together 14 awesome custom bonuses that you will find on this page here. To qualify for these bonuses, you've got to join through this button here, and you have got to create your account. This button, clicking on this button, will take you to here. That's me, that's my little logo there, and that's me introducing myself to you. And you got to put in your email address there to get access to Wealthy Affiliate, which is free to start. You don't have to pay a penny until you've tried it out, which is one more awesome thing about Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so let's have a look at these bonuses. Bonus number 1, I've put together a video training which is called a buyer's list building hack. Okay, it's how to build an email list of 100% certified hungry buyers, and it's over-the-shoulder video training. In this second bonus, I put together how to build a squeeze page with lead magnet and email opt-in form. Building an email list is a great way to make money online, and I recommend it for everybody. Okay, next is 100 free tools for digital marketers. Over my 4+ years of working as an affiliate marketer and blogger, a content creator, I've come across lots of different tools online that are actually free to use. So I've listed them all here. Okay, so go ahead and grab that and you'll get a list with all the free tools that I use. Okay, next is an Instagram optimization checklist, which shows you how to optimize your Instagram so that you can grow your Instagram faster than ever before. Okay, how to start a profitable blog from scratch. This is actually supplementary training to go along with Wealthy Affiliate. So recommended video training there. This is Commission Blueprint, which is by Glyn Kosky, and it shows you a 100% newbie friendly super affiliate blueprint that generated over $500,000 in commissions in 12 months. This next one is called List Building on Steroids. It's all about email list building, and it's by Brendan Mace. Next is how to write headlines and subject lines that sell. This is a good training for how to get good headlines and subject lines. Subject lines, by the way, are for email marketing. This next one is a case study on how to earn 10k a month online. Next one is Easy Passive Paydays by Anthony Mancuso. That's another video training course there. And this is a full campaign walkthrough of a Bing Ads campaign, advertising with Bing. So if you want to do paid advertising with Bing, you should watch this training. Next is a complete A to Z launch jacking, how to do launch jacking from A to Z. It's a campaign walkthrough by John O. Armstrong. Next is how to get unique content on your pages without writing a word. And another one there is 10x commissions by Brendan Mace, the secret to 10k per month. And last but not least is 5-figure freedom by Mr. X and Brendan Mace. Now remember, clicking the link below this video on YouTube will bring you through to this page here. You can take a look at the bonuses. You can click on this button here, and that will take you through to this page where I will introduce myself to you, Put in your email address there, join for free. You have your free account for a whole 7 days. You don't have to go premium if you don't want to. And if you want to get a hold of all of these bonuses, just upgrade to premium, and I will deliver all of these bonuses inside of your Wealthy Affiliate account via a private message. Okay, thanks for watching my What is Wealthy Affiliate video. I hope you now know that it will work for you if you're a beginner, if you stick to the training and don't get sidetracked with shiny objects. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.